Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. We are discussing about the OTT subscription mini project. We are implemented to the this project totally on the flows. So in the previous video, we discussed about to the how to display the plan details based on the selected plan like monthly or quarterly or half-yearly or yearly wise. So now in this video, we are going to build to the capturing to the payment details. So how we are going to capture by the payment details, how to develop to the that screen we can discuss to the in this video. And before going to that, they can able to select the plan, right? These plan details we have to hold the first. Which plan they are going to selecting, na, that plan details we need to capture, right? So for example, they can select by the selected plan is the quarterly, selected by the basic plan. So this is the basic plan, nothing but the what is the amount, right? This is the amount of this one. Okay, so we have to hold by the these all information which plan they are selected. So premium quarterly. So how we are going to hold that? We can see the first, then we can develop to the this screen. We can develop to the this screen. So let's back to the here. We have to take by the decision. They have to select by the monthly or quarterly or by yearly, right? So let's take to the decision. So here selected plan details. So here we have to, for example, they can select by the monthly plan. They can select the monthly plan. So is selected monthly plan. So how to identify? He can select the monthly or quarterly or yearly plan. So here we have to check it by the selected plan equals to monthly. So similar way we have to take it by the is selected quarterly plan. So here select plan equals to quarterly. Next is the is selected of yearly plan. So if it is selected by the select plan equals to half yearly. So final one is the yearly. So is selected yearly plan. So let's selected plan equals to yearly. Okay, so these are all the conditions. Let's save this. So if they can select by the yearly or month, half yearly or quarterly or monthly wise plans, so then we can hold by the, that information. So let's take to the here one assignment, which plan they are selected, what is the amount of the that plan. So for example, they can select by the basic plan with the monthly or basic plan with the quarterly, right? So that details quarterly amount we need to hold it. Now that's purpose. So here let's take to the one assignment. So in this assignment, monthly selected details. So monthly selected information we have to store it here. So now here we have to create one new resource for the selected values holding purpose variable where selected plan name. They are selecting the basic or premium or standard plan. That is the purpose. Selected plan name. So done. So here when we are selecting the monthly, right? So here we have to get it by the monthly table. So monthly table to what is the plan name selected here? They are selecting the name. Selected plan name here will be the appear like they can select by the basic or premium or standard. That is the plan name. Next to amount also. So what are the amount they have to selected? One more variable we have to declare for the amount variable where selected plan amount. So this is the variable, right? We can take it by the where underscore. It's not a mandatory. If you want, you can take it. Otherwise, you can ignore. So this is the currency type. Na? So here we have to take it by the currency type. Decimal 0. Click on done. So equal to again monthly table. So in this, we have to take it by the monthly amount. Which plan they are going to select and a selected plan monthly amount, it will be the return. We have to select by the only monthly table. In the table, what the data they are selected like a premium or standard or basic plan they are selected. That plan name we have to store by in this variable. And what is the amount of the that selected row here. You have to observe the selected row here. Selected row value, that is the amount. Selected row amount we are selecting here. Single row only, right? We have to select only for that value is the return. So let's here up to save. So similar way we have to take it by the quarterly also. So here again assignment. So variables no need to create, already we have to select the variable. Those variables we can use it already created. So here quarterly selected details. So here already we have created the variables, no? Those variables selected plan name. Now here we have to select by the quarterly table. Earlier is the monthly, but now we are capturing to the quarterly table. No? Quarterly table, selected row, name. Here also same, right? Quarterly wise they can select by either basic or premium or standard plan. So where amount, quarterly table, selected row. Now in this we have to select by the quarterly amount. So done. So same way for the yearly also. So half yearly. So assignments. Half yearly selected details. So let's take to the here same variable selected plan name. Now here we can choose by the half yearly table. So selected row name. Now amount is the half yearly amount. Na? So where selected plan amount. So here we have to take it to the half yearly table, selected row, half yearly amount. So finally we have the yearly wise now. So let's take to the here yearly, sorry, assignments. So yearly selected details. So same here where selected plan. Now here we can choose by the yearly table. Yearly table, the name. So here where amount yearly table, selected row, yearly amount. Now here we selected by the yearly amount. Let's done this. So here we have to select by the half yearly wise. So when we are selecting by the half yearly wise, here we are selecting by the half yearly amount and plan of the half yearly wise. Okay, let's save this, preview this up to here. So let's create the one screen flow. What we have selected the plan, that details purpose. So this is the payment section or payment screen, our wish. So let's take to the here display text. We have to take it with one display text. So selected plan details. This is this name. Okay. So here selected plan name. So where we stored selected plan name, we have taken the one variable now. So where selected plan name. And next is the selected plan amount. So this is the here plan amount. And before that, we have to the selected plan. Monthly wise or quarterly wise plan, that is the selected plan where we have that is pick list value. So selected plan, this is the our pick list selected plan. So let's bold this. So let's done. Let's save. Let's debug. So let's run. Just to take by the existing customer and new customer. Click on next. Initially, we have displayed by the all the plan details. What are the available plan details? Click on next. Here they can choose the either monthly or quarterly or half yearly wise. Let's select the quarterly. In the quarterly, I'm selecting the premium. Quarterly plan I'm selected. Plan name is the premium and amount is the 599. This will be the displayed into the next screen. See here. Next, quarterly premium 599 room is the amount. If you back to the here, if you select by the standard here, see here standard and 699 is the plan amount. Or if you change by the anything half yearly premium, half yearly premium 799. So here you go to the half yearly premium 799. So this is the assignment we have done. So variable is the common for the all the three, all the four types, monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly. So selected plan name, what is the plan amount and which plan we have to select, that plan will be the appear to the here. So we have the review the this is which plan we are selected, what is the plan name premium and what is the amount. So in the same screen, we have to display by the card details, which card details they want to capture, either credit or debit card. So let's take to the that screen. So here come to the here. So back to the screen here in the screen flow. So let's take to the here radio buttons. We have to select by the radio buttons now. So here radio buttons. So here card type. So in this, they have to the selection to the so credit card and one more is the debit card, either credit or debit card. Okay, they can select to the here. So in this, they have to display by the details, either credit card or debit card. So if you want to display like this side by side, we have to take it by this section. In this section, we have to take it by the two columns. So one column, we have to this either credit card, debit card. In the next screen, here we have to capture by the what is the card number, expiry date, CVV and card name. So here this purpose we have to take it by the name, sorry, card number. Na? So text we have to take it by the text. This is the card number. Or we can directly display also, that is also fine. Already we have the object, right? So what is our object name is the invoice details. So let's take that is the finally you have to create otherwise. So here card number, then next is the here expiry date. So that is the two formats, right? So here this is also be the text. So that is the month, and one more is the, so here we have to take it by the year. So we can't support it by the here slash type. So that's why here we have to just take by the month, year. Okay. So or if you try to this section, so it doesn't support section within to the another section. That's why here we have to take it by the month, year, and CVV. So that is purpose another text or number also fine. This is why because means CVV always numbers only. Na? So let's take to the numbers. CVV. So this one also, if you want to change the data type to the number, both are the only numbers only, right? We need to support. So here number, so here this will be the month, this will be the year. Okay, so finally name of the card person name. Na? So that is the text. Name on card or card on name, that is our wish. So let's take to the all these details we have the capture. So based on this, we can select by the either credit card or debit card details. Here we have to store by the here information. Okay. So let's done this. Let's save this. So we have to the preview this. So let's debug. Run. Select by the phone number. Click on next. Here existing subscriber, they can appear to the here details. Click on next. Here will be the all the plan details will be the displayed. Click on next. They can choose by the plan, monthly or quarterly wise, half yearly wise, quarterly, standard plan. They can click on to the next. So here they can select by the credit card or debit card. Based on that, they can fill by the card details to the here. Card details to the here. Okay, and here you have to observe they select by the quarterly standard, and that is the amount is the 699. Okay. So up to now we have built by this one. Then finally we have to create the record. If you the new customer, we can create the record, or if it is existing customer, we can create by the subscription details. So subscription details nothing but what is the plan name. These are all the information. Quarterly, this is the standard and amount. And after that we can create by the invoice. Nothing but the based on these inputs we have to generate by the invoice. That invoice we need to send it to the customer. How to send it to the customer, that invoice, how to we can trigger to the mail to the customer. Let's see the in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.